So this was about analyzing the horoscope by nakshatras. Now, what is the importance of nakshatras? Just like this, or nakshatras as already described earlier, the planet which is situated as in the nakshatras of another planet, they will become activated when the main and the sub period of the planet will come. Suppose the native is having a ruling period of Rahu, that is the main period of Rahu and the sub period of Venus. Now both Rahu and Venus are situated in the nakshatras of Saturn. Then in that case, during the whole main period of Rahu, Saturn will be activated because the transit of Saturn will have much greater impact. The transit of Saturn will be pronounced because during the whole main period of Rahu, because Rahu is situated in the nakshatras of Saturn, and also since the sub period lord, that is Venus, is also sitting in the nakshatras of Saturn, so Saturn will be activated also during the sub period of Venus. So during the main and the sub period of the Rahu and Venus, Saturn will become active as a planet in transit. So this is the importance of the planet in nakshatras. And another importance is finding out the Vimsotari Dasa system. That is the degree in which the moon is situated in the in the native's birth chart, in his astrological birth chart. That degree will decide which main period will be starting at the birth of the native. Suppose moon is in the nakshatras of sun, then at the time of the birth. So in that case, the native first operating period or the first Mahadasa period will be of sun. So that in that case, the nakshatras of moon will decide which period you will start at the time of your birth, which Mahadasa period will be started and which Antardasa period will be started. That will be decided by the nakshatras of the moon. And another importance of deciding the nakshatras, another importance of nakshatras is in the case of marriage horoscope and the matchmaking horoscope. In case you have any problem about you finding out your right spouse, or in case you have already decided your spouse and you want to marry him or her, and but you are confused whether he or she will be a suitable partner for you or not, in that case you order a report as matchmaking horoscope. And if you don't have find out any your partner, in that case you should order marriage horoscope, because marriage horoscope will tell you about your tentative partner, who will be your partner, when will you get married, and what is the right time for you to marry, and in which places you will get your spouse, how you will come to know your spouse. So these all things you will get to know in your marriage horoscope. And if you order matchmaking horoscope, then you will get to know whether the partner that you have selected for your marriage is good or suitable for you to marry or not, or whether you should select some other partner. So in that case, when we consider the marriage horoscope and the matchmaking horoscope, we see the nakshatras, and nakshatras milan or the compatibility of the nakshatras is of much importance. Now, very important point, that how, if you see how is this nakshatras deciding the fate of the native without considering these points. Even if a astrologer will not know that a nakshatras is used to determine which Mahadasa period or the main period will come at the time of the birth of his native, if the astrologer doesn't know this thing, and if the astrologer he or she doesn't know that nakshatras are important because when a main period or the sub period of the planet operate, the planet which is residing in its nakshatras, that planet will become active as a transit, as a planet in transit in the main and the sub period of the planet. If the astrologer doesn't know this thing also, and also if the astrologer doesn't know that mm, the nature of the planet, whether it is a functional benefic, whether it is a natural benefic, or whether the planet that is sitting as a in its nakshatra, whether that planet is functional benefic, functional malefic, or whether it is of the same signification or carcass of the planet in which it sits. Suppose Jupiter is significator for father and Sun is also significator of father. So if Jupiter is situated in the nakshatras of Sun or Sun is situated in the nakshatras of Jupiter, in that case it will add or it will be beneficial because both are having the same signification. So if an astrologer, he or she doesn't know even this point about nakshatras, so one point that is very important that I think he's supposed to be know in India, because in India the Vedic astrologer mostly consider this point only as a nakshatras, that they are called the Gandhamula nakshatra. They will first look at your spouse chart. Suppose a person is going to marry a person and he is judging the horoscope of his spouse, then he will first look at, even if he doesn't knows all the set point about the nakshatras, he will look at this point first and he will see whether the spouse, any of the planet of the spouse is situated in the nakshatras that are called the Gandhamula nakshatras. Now, what are Gandhamula nakshatra? Actually, these Gandhamula nakshatras are the nakshatras of Mercury and Ketu. So, there are 9 planets and each planet is having 3 nakshatras. So, there are total of 27 nakshatras or constellation, and these 27 constellation or nakshatras are spread over 360-degree zodiac. So, you know that in the times of Mahabharata, that is thousands and thousands of years ago, at that time, the code that is known as astrology, in that code, there were no signs, there were only nakshatras. So, determine any event or to know the fate of the native by looking at its natal chart, the astrologer at that time, thousands and thousands of years ago, in the time of Mahabharata, will only see the nakshatras, whether the planet is situated in which nakshatras. Suppose Mars is situated in the nakshatras of Saturn, then the person will know that, oh, Saturn is a natural malefic planet and Mars is a natural malefic planet. So a natural malefic planet is sitting in the nakshatras of another natural malefic planet. So in that case, the result will not good